That's around Mount Meager, and this is all pumice. It used to be volcanic ash or something like that. It's very fragile, like a soft material, soft rock. Pumice. They make soaps and abrasive creams and stuff, like a cleaning product. And across, you see that's a pumice mine. There's another pumice mine pit down below here, but this is very unstable terrain, and you can't really hike here. So I'm supposed to get down somehow. My car is over there, but I'm not going to cross the valley here because it's too steep, too dangerous. So I would have to find my way down the way I came up, which is very, very steep. It's late in the day. I'm lucky that it doesn't rain, and yeah, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. But life without challenge, what? It's no growth. It make you want to do what? Okay, so I love my day. See you later. Bye bye.